Welcome back everyone, and in today's video, we're going to explore the VMware Workstation interface in a simple and practical way. Whether you're opening VMware for the first time or you already have virtual machines installed, this guide will help you get fully comfortable with everything you see on the screen. When you launch VMware Workstation, the first thing you'll notice is the main home screen. If this is your first time, the workspace may look a little empty, and that's completely normal. VMware shows you a few basic options: create a new virtual machine, open an existing virtual machine, or connect to a remote server such as ESG or vCenter. But in my case, I already have two virtual machines installed, so you'll notice that the left side, called the Virtual Machine Library, already shows both of them. This library is where all your added VMs live. On the left, as I mentioned, is the Virtual Machine Library. This is your quick access panel for all VMs you have added. Removing a VM from the library is easy too. Simply right-click and select Remove. This does not delete the VM from your computer, it only hides it from the library. If you want to add a VM to the list, just click on File menu and choose Open, and select the .vmx file from the VMs folder. You can also create folders and organize your VMs if you have many of them, which is super helpful for large projects or lab environments. Right-click My Computer and create New Folder, and now move both the VMs by dragging it. Both the VMs are listed now inside the folder. If you turn on the VM, a green arrow appears on the top of the VM inside the folder tree. Now let's take a look at the top menu bar, which contains your main controls. File menu. This is where you create new VMs, open existing ones, or connect to remote servers. Edit menu. From here, you can access the very important virtual network editor. View menu. This controls how VMware looks on your screen. You can switch between full screen, windowed mode, stretched mode, or fit to window depending on your preference. VM menu. This is one of the most important sections. From here, you can power on your VM, shut it down, restart, suspend, or even send commands like Ctrl+Alt+Del directly into the virtual machine. Tabs menu. Every VM you open will appear as a tab at the top of the interface, just like tabs in your web browser. This makes working with multiple VMs clean and easy. Help menu. If you ever need official documentation or support, everything is available right there. The update option is also available. Right below the menu bar, you'll see the toolbar. These icons give you instant access to the most commonly used options. You'll find power controls, start, stop, restart, suspend, or reset your VM. Send Ctrl+Alt+Del. Very useful for Windows VMs. Take snapshot. Saves the current state of your VM. Revert snapshot. Go back to a previous state. Manage snapshots. View a full snapshot history. Show or hide library. Toggle the sidebar. Show or hide thumbnail bar. Control the preview bar. Full screen mode. Unity mode. And free stretch mode. These shortcuts make your workflow much faster, especially when you have multiple VMs running. Let's talk about tabs for a moment. When you open a VM, it appears as a tab across the top of the window. If both VMs are running, you can switch between them instantly by clicking their tabs. You can reorder tabs by dragging them, and if you try to close a tab while the VM is still running, VMware will ask whether you want to shut it down or keep it running in the background. This is useful if you want to continue using the VM without keeping its window open. Just remember, before turning off your physical computer, make sure your virtual machines are properly shut down. At the bottom of the interface, you may notice the thumbnail bar. This displays small live previews of your virtual machines. A running VM shows a real-time thumbnail, a powered-off VM shows a blank preview. And if something disappears, maybe the left library, the tabs, or the thumbnails, don't worry. Just go to View Customize, and you can enable everything again with a single click. So that completes our full tour of the VMware Workstation interface. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next lesson in this VMware Workstation series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.